Today I will share how to make a 2 by 2 picture with name tag in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will come in the main page and here I will select custom size, and first I will change the units to inches, and after that select width as 2 and height as 2. So it is 2 by 2 inches, and click on create new design. And here in elements I will write corporate female pictures. Okay, so I am using the photos for this example, but you will use your own example of your own image, which we will get in the upload section when you upload it here. Okay, and I am using the examples just to show you how it works. So click on see all, and I am using any of this image. So for this I am using this image. Let's make it bigger, let's crop it and let's make it bigger. So I will keep this part as blank. Okay, and after that I will just remove the background, because in most of the cases white background is preferred. Okay, so the background is removed. Now after that click on R to activate a square. Okay, and change the square color to white. Okay, and just bring it here and just make it bigger. Okay, and after that go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write the name, and it will be all in capital letters. So I will write here Susan Garcia. So this is a unique name which I am using for this example. You will use your own name. Okay, and I will just bring it here, and after that I will make sure the font is in Calibri or Arial, because these are the most preferred font style. So you will either use this Calibri or you can use Arial. So both the fonts are present here. You can use any of them, as you can see in here. So I will use this one. So let's bring it right here, and this is how you write your name here. Okay, and to download it, click on share, click on download. So you can download it either in PNG or in JPG if you are planning to share it in mail. But if you want to download it and print it, for that you need to go to share, click on download, and make sure you click on PDF print, and then in the color profile you select CMYK, because for most of the printer machines CMYK is the best preferred for professional printing. As you can see, it is also written here. Click on download and it will get downloaded. So this is how you create your own 2 by 2 picture with name tag in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to learn any new tutorials from us, please let me know in the comments and I'll be very happy to help you out. And please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified for regular videos and tutorials. Thank you.